The current divider interactive calculator quickly determines how current splits between parallel resistors in any circuit. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate branch currents for 2 resistors. Calculate branch currents for 3 resistors. Calculate required resistance. Calculate total current. Calculate power distribution. And calculate current percentage split. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate branch currents for 2 resistors mode. Let me walk through a practical example. I'll enter a total current of 10 amperes flowing into the parallel circuit. For the first resistor, I'll input 20 ohms, and for the second resistor, 30 ohms. After clicking calculate, the results show exactly how the current divides. The current through the first 20 ohm resistor is 6 amperes, while the current through the second 30 ohm resistor is 4 amperes. Notice how the smaller resistance carries more current. This follows the fundamental principle that current takes the path of least resistance. The calculator also confirms our total current remains 10 amperes, validating Kirchhoff's current law. This tool eliminates manual calculations and helps verify your circuit designs instantly. Find the link in the description below.